Basics of Introduction, Greetings and Safety, Survival Language. Welcome volunteers. Goal, equip you with essential language skills to integrate safely and meaningfully into your host community. Why learn local greetings? Why are greetings and introduction important in Namibia? Hoekom is die groete en voorstellings belangrijk in Namibia? Build trust, vertrouwen bou, shows respect, respect toon, helps in daily and emergency situations, help in dagelijkse en noodssituasies. Key to community integration, die sleutel tot communicatie en integratie. Useful vocabulary: morning, môre, afternoon, middag, evening, naand, fyn, goed, children, kinders, father, vader, mother, moeder, grandmother, oma, grandfather, oupa, I, ek, you, jy, stay, play, go, gaan, sleep, slaap. Greeting phrases practice. Good morning, goeiemôre. How are you? Hoe gaan dit? I'm fine. Dit gaan goed met my. Nice to meet you. Aangename kennis. Goodbye. Tot ziens. Stay well. Bly goed. Go well. Gaan goed. Introductory phrases. My name is. My naam is. I come from. Ek kom van. I'm living in. Ek bly in. What is your name? Wat is jou naam? I'm a Peace Corps volunteer. Ek is 'n Peace Corps vrywilliger. Safety and survival language. Help, help. I'm lost. Ek is verdwaal. Call the police. Bel die polisie. Is it safe here? Is dit veilig hier? I don't understand. Ek verstaan nie. Thank you. Dankie.